this video, you will understand how to record transactions and also view reports in different currencies in TallyPrime. Let's first see how to create a currency in TallyPrime. Press Alt+G, create master currency and press enter. Press C or click create new. Enter the symbol, formal name and ISO currency code. If your business is in India, then ISO currency code is required to generate e-invoices for the export transactions. Enter the number of decimal places based on the number of decimal places required in the voucher amount. If you want to show amount in millions, then you can enable this option. Suffix symbol to amount shows the symbol of currency after amount. You can enable it if you follow the practice in your business. You can also add a space between amount and symbol if needed. Enter the word representing amount after decimal. For example, you can configure cents when the currency is dollars. Specify the number of decimal places for amount in words as needed. Press Ctrl+A to save the master. Now, let's create a ledger for a party based out of a foreign country. Press Alt+G, create master, ledger and press enter. Enter name of the ledger. Enter mailing details as applicable. Under state, select change country and press enter. Type or select the country and press enter. Thereafter, type or select the state and press enter. Under opening balance, enter the amount. Enter the symbol of the currency as prefix, the amount, and then type the rate followed by the rate of exchange. As you can see, the opening balance appears in the foreign and base currency both. Press Ctrl+A to save the ledger. Now, let's create a sales invoice for the party. Press Alt+G, create voucher and press enter. Press F8 for sales. Under party account, select the ledger created for the party based out of foreign country and press enter. Enter the dispatch details as applicable. The information in the party details screen is pre-filled based on the data entered in the ledger. You can make changes if needed. Under Sales Ledger, select the ledger created under Sales Accounts. Select the stock item, enter the quantity and rate in the foreign currency. Enter the rate of exchange and the amount gets calculated. Select more stock items if needed. Enter the narration as applicable. Now, press Ctrl+T for print and press I for preview. As you can see, the amount appears only in foreign currency. Amount chargeable in words is also printed in the foreign currency. Now, press Escape and then press Ctrl+P for print. Press C. Show more. Type currency and you can see the option Show base and foreign currencies for total. Let's enable the option Show base and foreign currencies for total. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Now, press I to preview. As you can see, the amount appears in both the currencies. You can see the rate of exchange too. Moreover, the amount chargeable in words is also printed in the base currency. You can apply the print configuration related to the currency based on your business requirement or the kind of invoice required by your client. You can record any type of voucher with foreign currency and you can create as many currencies as you want based on the countries in which you have customers. Now, let us see how to view reports in foreign currency. Press Alt plus G. Ledger vouchers. Select the party based out of the foreign country and press Enter. Press F2 to change the period if needed. As you can see, the amounts are displayed in the base currency. Press Ctrl plus B. Show Forex transactions only and press Enter to set the option as Yes. You can see the transactions recorded in foreign currency only. But if you want to see all the transactions, irrespective of the currency, then you will need to set Show Forex transactions only as No and the basis of values. As you saw, recording vouchers and viewing reports in a foreign currency is simple in TallyPrime. Thank you.